Hello, wonderful English learners. It's Sophia from the English with Sophia YouTube channel. Today we're going to explore some of my favorite healthy American foods. Eating well is important, and America has many delicious and nutritious options. Let's discover these tasty foods together. Why healthy eating is important. Before we start, let's talk about why eating healthy food is good. 1. It gives your body energy. 2. It helps you grow strong and stay healthy. 3. It can make you feel happy and full of life. 4. It helps you think clearly and learn better. Now, let's look at some healthy American foods. 1. Colorful salads. Americans love salads and they can be very healthy. What's in a salad? Fresh green leaves like lettuce or spinach. Colorful vegetables like tomatoes, carrots, and cucumbers. Sometimes fruits like apples or berries. Often has a light dressing made with oil and vinegar. Why salads are healthy? Full of vitamins and minerals. Low in calories but filling. The different colors mean different healthy things for your body. How to enjoy salads. Try making your own with your favorite vegetables. You can add nuts or seeds for extra crunch. Experiment with different dressings to find your favorite. 2. Grilled chicken. Grilled chicken is a popular and healthy choice in America. What is grilled chicken? Chicken cooked over a fire or on a hot grill. Often seasoned with herbs and spices. Can be eaten hot or cold. Why grilled chicken is healthy? High in protein, which helps build strong muscles. Low in fat, especially if you don't eat the skin. Can be cooked without extra oil. Ways to eat grilled chicken. On top of a salad. In a sandwich with whole grain bread. With a side of vegetables. 3. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a tasty and healthy vegetable. What are sweet potatoes? Orange-colored potatoes with a sweet taste. Can be baked, mashed, or cut into fries. Why sweet potatoes are healthy. Full of vitamin A, which is good for your eyes. Have lots of fiber, which helps your stomach. Naturally sweet, so you don't need to add sugar. How to enjoy sweet potatoes. Baked with a little butter and cinnamon. Cut into fries and baked in the oven. Mashed as a side dish instead of regular potatoes. 4. Whole grain bread. Whole grain bread is a healthier choice than white bread. What is whole grain bread? Bread made with all parts of the wheat grain. Often darker in color than white bread. Can have seeds or nuts added. Why whole grain bread is healthy. Has more fiber, which is good for your body. Keeps you feeling full longer. Has more vitamins and minerals than white bread. Ways to eat whole grain bread. Make a sandwich with your favorite fillings. Toast it for breakfast. Use it to make healthy French toast. 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a popular healthy snack in America. What is Greek yogurt? A type of yogurt that's thicker than regular yogurt. Has a tang taste. Can be plain or flavored. Why Greek yogurt is healthy. High in protein. Has good bacteria that help your stomach. Can be low in fat and sugar if you choose plain. How to enjoy Greek yogurt. Add fresh fruit and a little honey. Use it instead of sour cream in recipes. Mix with herbs to make a healthy dip for vegetables. 6. Grilled salmon. Salmon is a popular fish that's very good for you. What is grilled salmon? A type of fish cooked on a grill. Often seasoned with lemon and herbs. Why salmon is healthy. High in omega-3 fats, which are good for your heart and brain. Good source of protein. Has vitamins D and B12. Ways to eat salmon. Grilled with a side of vegetables. In a salad. Made into salmon cakes like fish burgers. 7. Berries. Berries are small fruits that are big on health benefits. Types of berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. Why berries are healthy. Full of vitamins and antioxidants, things that keep your body healthy. Low in calories. High in fiber. How to enjoy berries. Eat them fresh as a snack. Add them to yogurt or oatmeal. Use them to top whole grain pancakes. 8. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are small but very nutritious. Types of nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. Why nuts and seeds are healthy. Good source of healthy fats. Have protein and fiber. Contain vitamins and minerals. Ways to eat nuts and seeds. As a snack on their own. Added to salads for crunch. Mixed into oatmeal or yogurt. 9. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a popular breakfast food in America. What is oatmeal? A hot cereal made from oats. Can be flavored with fruits, nuts, or a little honey. Why oatmeal is healthy? High in fiber, which is good for your heart and stomach. Keeps you feeling full for a long time. Can help lower cholesterol, a type of fat in your blood. How to enjoy oatmeal. Cook it with milk or water. Add fresh fruits and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Try overnight oats. Mix oats with yogurt and let sit in the fridge overnight. 10. Vegetable soup. Vegetable soup is a warm and healthy meal. What's in vegetable soup? A mix of different vegetables in a broth. Can have beans or small pasta added. Why vegetable soup is healthy. Low in calories but very filling. Full of vitamins and minerals from the vegetables. Warm soup can be comforting and help you feel good. How to enjoy vegetable soup. Make it at home with your favorite vegetables. Have it with a piece of whole grain bread. Add a little grated cheese on top for extra flavor. Tips for eating healthy in America. Here are some tips to help you eat healthy. 1. Eat lots of different colored fruits and vegetables. 2. Choose whole grains instead of white bread and pasta. 3. Drink water instead of sugary drinks. 4. Try to cook at home more often than eating out. 5. Read food labels to understand what's in your food. Making healthy choices at restaurants. When you eat out, you can still make healthy choices. 1. Look for grilled or baked foods instead of fried. 2. Ask for dressings and sauces on the side. 3. Choose water, unsweetened tea, or low-fat milk to drink. 4. Look for menu items that include vegetables. 5. Don't be afraid to ask how a dish is prepared. Healthy snack ideas. Snacking can be healthy too. Here are some ideas. 1. Apple slices with peanut butter. 2. Carrot sticks with hummus. 3. A small handful of nuts. 4. Greek yogurt with berries. 5. Whole grain crackers with cheese. Conclusion. Eating healthy in America can be delicious and fun. There are so many tasty options to choose from. Remember, eating a variety of foods in the right amounts is the key to a healthy diet. Don't be afraid to try new foods, you might discover a new favorite. And remember, it's okay to have treats sometimes too. The important thing is to make healthy choices most of the time. I hope this guide to healthy American foods has been helpful and interesting. Keep practicing your English, and maybe you can try describing your favorite healthy foods from your own country. Until next time, this is Sophia from English with Sophia, saying goodbye and happy healthy eating. Important vocabulary for A1 learners. Here are some keywords from this lesson that are great for A1 English learners. 1. Healthy, adjective. Good for your body. 2. Food, noun. Things that people eat. 3. Vegetable, noun. A plant that people eat, like carrots or lettuce. 4. Fruit, noun. Sweet food that grows on trees or plants, like apples or oranges. 5. Protein, noun. A nutrient found in foods like meat, eggs, and beans. 6. Vitamin, noun. A substance in food that helps keep your body healthy. 7. Grain, noun. Foods like wheat, rice, and oats. 8. Salad. Noun. A dish of mixed vegetables, often with a dressing. 9. Grilled. Adjective. Cooked over fire or on a hot surface. 10. Yogurt. Noun. A thick, creamy food made from milk. 11. Snack. Noun. A small amount of food eaten between meals. 12. Meal. Noun. The food eaten at breakfast, lunch, or dinner. 13. Cook. Verb. To prepare food by heating it. 14. Tasty. Adjective. Having a good flavor. 15. Nutritious. Adjective. Containing things that are good for your health. Remember to practice these words when talking about food and healthy eating. Good luck with your English learning journey.